Hi, I'm Ola, the brand identity designer here at Corporate Farmers International. Do you know that agriculture is beyond farming? I grew up eating good food, but really didn't care where they came from. But now I understand that there's a whole lot of process involved making sure we get this food daily. Well, you don't have to take my word for it. Let's hear what my colleagues have to say.
Agriculture is beyond farming. Growing up, I've always known agriculture to be just farming. Literally, with your hoe and your cutlass. You don't really need to be involved in the daily routine manual labor that is involved in agriculture. I've had limited knowledge on how vast agriculture is, but not anymore.
Agriculture is so beyond farming. I'm a graduate of agriculture and bioenvironmental engineering, but it was not what I wanted really. The perception of agriculture was labor, and I really didn't find it appealing as a young, beautiful lady. I longed for a reorientation, but everyone around me seemed to have a similar mindset. There had to be more to agriculture, I thought, but I couldn't find one strong enough. But not anymore.
Agriculture is way beyond farming. Agriculture is just like a parent's name. It has so many channels that when you limit it to just farming, it gives a one-sided view on the vastness of what agriculture is and entails. In agriculture, there are so many value chains that enables food processing to be possible. But most people my age do not really know this, but not anymore.
Corporate Farmers International is a solution-based agricultural company, and we also understand the business of agriculture in Nigeria, Africa, and the rest of the world. Agriculture beyond farming is our motivation in driving what we call all the corporate organization, corporate individual, and all the age brackets in order to understand the business of agriculture, in order to make sure that we have what we call food security in Nigeria and Africa. Agriculture management or farming management is one of our core areas in which we see agriculture beyond farming that cut across 7 pillars, which is agric education, agric energy, agric health, agric finance, agric technology, and agrotainment. We also have what we call cooperatives in order to build cooperatives in Nigeria and Africa, because we know that agriculture is a collective, an effort in order to have what we call, a good food chain system in Nigeria and Africa. Cooperative is very, very important. This is one of the best way we have helped most of our rural farmers who does not have really, money. We also encourage, corporate, individual to have what we call collective funding in agriculture, so that we will be able to build what we call agriculture or farming business that can span other generations. This is one of the problems that we have seen in agriculture business in Nigeria and Africa. We want to have a farm that can last a century. This is the reason why in Corporate Farmers International, we are so committed to what we are doing in order to make Africa, Nigeria, and the rest of the world to be a better place and free of hunger. That is why we are Corporate Farmers International.
Education is quite important, but having it from the right source, that is relevancy. Now, we at Corporate Farmers International have created a unique and international platform whereby youth, farmers across Nigeria, Africa, and international can come on board from and learn on our e-learning platform, which is CFIL E-Learning Academy. Now, what is the Academy all about? The Academy is all about to bring you on board and up to speed about the international standard and also agric practices, and also learn what agriculture is all about across the value chain, from extension to marketing to finance to agribusiness itself and other aspects of the value chain. That is one of our beautiful products. Also, we are going to launch to you a new agribusiness weekend media platform. And what is that? That is a platform that is specially created for you and also stakeholders across the value chain to come on board and showcase their agribusiness services products, whereby everyone, both Nigeria, Africa, International, can have a look at it and also can have a feel of it. So how can you reach us? Come to our office in Omole Phase 1 or go to our website at www.corporatefarmers.tv. I'm telling you the true fact. With us, you can't miss it at all in this agribusiness sector. So come on board today and join the train of Corporate Farmers International. Thank you.